The electric starter on this snowblower spins but doesn't engage. I can see that the starter gear is getting stuck on the shaft, so I sprayed some lubricant on it and made sure everything is sliding smoothly. Still no luck. Sometimes it even engages with the engine gear, but the engine doesn't turn over. The starter gear needs to engage with the engine gear to turn over the engine. A spring on the starter shaft keeps the starter gear out of the way unless you're using the electric start. The drive nut is threaded into the starter shaft. When the starter shaft starts to spin, the drive nut is propelled up the shaft by the threads and pushes the starter gear with it. The starter gear engages with the engine gear. Now the drive nut is spinning in unison with the starter shaft since they're threaded together, but there's not enough friction between the drive nut and the starter gear, so the engine doesn't turn over. The problem is I'm missing a part, the starter pinion drive. This part goes between the drive nut and the starter gear to give it some friction. I'm not sure what happened to the pinion drive on my snowblower. It might have dry rotted and broken off.